Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use split screen and stage manager on macOS 27. Split screen and stage manager are two different things that I'll show you to help you manage your Windows better on macOS 27. So first let's try opening two apps, like let's do Finder and the browser. And now to use split screen, you need to drag a window by holding it at the top to either of the sides, either left or right. And once it shows up, you can see it shows the outline. You can now release and it will put that window on that side. Alternatively, you could also hover over the green button for a moment, and then you'll find move and resize. And you can put it in 4 different basic positions, which are the left, right, top, or bottom, out the bottom. And then I can put the other window on top, which is also pretty interesting that you can do that. You can also use fill and arrange, which means when I select the fill and arrange, let's do this one, but maybe let's open one more window of some app. I'll do notes. Okay, let's do notes. I'll make the window smaller. Oh, it doesn't want to get smaller. Sure. I'll resize it just for now so it's better visible. Now, when we hover over maximize button and select this option, for example, it will automatically resize the other windows as well to put it in that arrangement. Alternatively, you can also do split screen on full screen. So when I hover over the green button, then over full screen, I'll find left of screen or right of screen. Let's do left of screen. Then it'll ask me what to put on the right of the screen, and I'll do the browser. And now you can see it's in full screen. So I can use, on touchpad, I can use 3 fingers to slide left or right between my desktops, just like that. And I can slide up to see all the desktops and all the open apps. And I can slide just like that. And then I can also leave that mode by clicking on the green button. Let's go back there. Click on the green button again, and this is split screen. Now let's go to Stage Manager. For now, I'll close all the apps, and then when I click on the Control Center, I should find Stage Manager. If not, then you should find Edit Controls and add it. This is the button for Stage Manager. Now I'll turn it on, and it's on. When I now open an app, it shows up normally, but when I minimize it, it goes here, goes on the left side. Now, when I open another app, let's do Finder, it automatically minimizes that other app, and I can switch between them just like that. I can now have multiple apps open and put in certain positions that you'd like. And I can switch between them, or I can drag an app to have both at once. Then I can switch just like that. You can see they are grouped together still, and that's how I can switch. I can also minimize an app to ungroup it, and then you can see they are in different groups, just like that. I think that is pretty convenient. When you click on the free space on the desktop, it will close the Stage Manager for a moment. Now let's open a few more apps to make it like that. And now, as you can see, I can switch between them. I can group them to put a few at once. And that's how it works. I hope that this video was helpful. Now, if you'd like to disable Stage Manager, you can just disable it. When I enable it again, it will still keep the group. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.